Airship AI provides AI-based solutions for data management, analysis, and visualization, serving government agencies and commercial organizations worldwide. They specialize in ingesting all available metadata from edge-based sensors used by various institutions, including surveillance cameras, video, audio, telemetry, acoustic, seismic, and autonomous devices. Let's take a few minutes to outline why Airship AI has gained traction and examine factors that could help and hinder growth, as well as note certain weaknesses and strengths. The company's primary offerings include Outpost AI, Acropolis, and Airship Command, which allow customers to manage their data across the full data lifecycle using a highly secure permission-based architecture. They apply AI across the entire offering suite, ensuring they extract as much value from their customers' existing and emerging data as possible. Airship AI is listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol AISP and has seen a significant rise in share price in 2024. Specializing in analyzing unstructured data and formatting it for use in spreadsheets or databases, the company has secured government contracts with agencies such as the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, the Department of Justice, and the Chicago Police. Over the past 12 months, their revenue increased by 148%, and they anticipate positive free cash flow this year. With a $130 million pipeline 5 times larger than their previous year's revenue, some of the most optimistic analysts predict shares could potentially rise by 185%. The drive behind the rapid growth lies in the importance of a robust digital transformation strategy for companies to discover new revenue opportunities and gain competitive advantages, specifically the growing need for efficient data ingestion and processing at the edge, facilitated by advancements in technology such as smaller processors capable of advanced analytics and 5G networking. The company notes 4 key technical attributes that should be achievable at the edge: structuring data and analyzing it in real time, extracting value from analyzed data, securely transmitting usable data to consumers in real time, and securely retaining all data for regulatory purposes. Achieving these end states can transform operations across industries by improving public safety, tailoring predictive maintenance, enhancing quality control, mitigating organized retail crime, and providing more efficient operations, leading to better customer experiences and outcomes. This underscores the cost benefits of offloading workflow and AI capabilities to the edge, and the importance of leveraging applications that bring all data together securely and efficiently for true digital transformation. Airship AI offerings are designed for scalability and flexibility across multiple markets and verticals. Their primary product offering is Airship Acropolis, available in commercial, Acropolis Commercial, and government-focused, Acropolis Law variations. The company also provides edge platform, Airship Outpost AI, and endpoint visualization platforms, Airship Command. Professional services include custom model training, on-site engineering support, and custom integrations. Additionally, Airship AI offers support and software maintenance agreements for ongoing customer support and access to updates. The company has focused on building long-lasting partnerships with large early adopters, primarily in the United States. These lighthouse customers serve as proof of their capabilities and value to other potential clients. They have expanded their customer base to include commercial enterprises and various federal, military, and intelligence agencies within the U.S. government. Once initial contracts are established, customers tend to expand their usage of their products and services due to efficiency and value provided. Additionally, they often see rapid expansion into adjacent entities within the customer, breaking down data silos through secure and efficient sharing across networks and operational domains. The company believes there's substantial opportunity to leverage their work for existing lighthouse customers in both commercial and government sectors, where parallels around operational needs and technology capabilities exist. Though this reliance on sales to government organizations for its business growth can lead to unpredictable demand, along with budgetary uncertainties posing risks to their revenue. Investing in the government sector can be costly and time-consuming with no guarantee of success. Additional challenges include competitive pressure, potential changes in certification requirements, budgetary cycles affecting payment, and possibility of unfavorable audits leading to refusal of purchases. Revenue has mainly come from a bundled hardware and software package, with minimal sales of standalone software. They anticipate an increase in subscription revenue as they expand their cloud-based solutions. The company aims to capitalize on investments made in their enterprise software platform for federated users and AI-driven edge hardware, which positions them to grow market share at higher margins in existing verticals, while identifying new opportunities where AI benefits are just starting to emerge. The company touts its competitive strengths include a holistic data management solution, leveraging AI, a single pane of glass platform for easy data visualization, a focus on superior customer experience, an intuitive and easy-to-use solution, hardened and secure platform with government-grade security, and significant cost savings for customers by integrating AI capabilities without needing expensive back-end servers. Airship AI's approach to engagements and partnerships enables them to potentially generate long-term recurring revenue and expand within organizations. The main targets are a large and growing addressable market in the edge AI hardware and software sector, with a TAM of $7 billion by 2029, projected to grow at a CAGR of 21.8%. Additionally, the U.S. government has allocated billions for state and local grants and billions more for law enforcement, crime prevention, and violence intervention. The company plans to capitalize on this market opportunity by expanding its offerings to state and local public safety markets and commercial customers for joint public-private ventures to improve overall community safety. In 2024, Airship AI had a pipeline consisting mainly of U.S. government agency contracts. This includes opportunities for expansion within current agencies as well as new ones. The company aims to continue building relationships with existing customers while developing partnerships with global integrators to reach new markets. They also plan to expand technology partnerships and integrate more capabilities to provide customers with a comprehensive solution. Additionally, they aim to explore commercial expansion in industries like infrastructure, transportation, logistics, and retail. Finally, strategic mergers and acquisitions will help accelerate growth efforts by adding complementary technologies or new capabilities to their platform. Though we should still keep in mind Airship AI operates in a relatively new and uncertain edge AI market. As such, future success depends on the growth of the market and client adoption of their services. However, consumer recognition and demand for edge AI services are still developing, posing challenges in expanding the market and maintaining business growth. Moreover, Airship AI faces challenges in its sales process due to the extensive time and resources invested in evaluating customers' needs and educating them about their platforms. The unpredictable nature of their lengthy sales cycle can lead to fluctuations in their results of operations. Sales decisions depend on various factors unrelated to the features of their platforms, such as macroeconomic conditions and internal preferences for existing solutions. This makes it difficult to guarantee successful sales, which could negatively impact their business if investments do not result in sufficient revenue. On top of that, Airship AI has a limited number of customers who account for a substantial portion of its revenue. The company's reliance on these customers could result in significant declines in revenue and negative impacts on operations if they do not make subsequent purchases or renew contracts. Airship AI aims to increase the size and number of deployments with existing customers as part of their growth strategy, but there is no guarantee that this approach will be successful. The company faces potential risks if it loses major customers or experiences difficulties in collecting accounts receivable. On a related note, there is also seasonality in its business, with lower sales typically seen in the first quarter and higher sales in subsequent quarters, especially during the third and fourth quarters. This is due to factors such as government and commercial customers' fiscal year-end procurement cycles, seasonal reductions in business activity, and project timing. As a result, collections and recognized revenue may be impacted, leading to fluctuations in their results of operations and financial position. Although recent growth may hide the extent of this issue, seasonality is expected to continue affecting their business and potentially causing further fluctuations and impacting forecasts or expectations. Then, just like any other cutting-edge tech company, Airship AI's business and operations could suffer if they fail to develop and deploy new technologies that meet their customers' needs. The company invests heavily in research and development, but there is no guarantee that these investments will accurately predict customer demand or be successful in gaining market acceptance. Delays in releasing new platforms or features, as well as competition from other companies, could harm the business. Airship AI may not realize a return on their investment if customers do not widely adopt their new offerings, and poor business conditions for customers may also cause software purchases to be delayed or canceled. If they are unable to continue identifying customer challenges and developing new features in a timely manner, or if these enhancements fail to achieve market acceptance, the company's prospects could suffer significantly. There is also the potential for errors, defects, failures, or bugs in Airship AI's technology platforms to negatively impact their operations and growth. Complex platforms can have undetected issues that emerge after release, especially when new versions are introduced. These problems can affect performance, delay software development, damage reputation, and reduce market acceptance. Additionally, customer dissatisfaction could result in terminations or claims for losses. Limitation of liability provisions may not always protect Airship AI from such risks, and warranties might require correcting the product or offering refunds. Add to that the potential issues with integrating various components and blaming their platforms for security breaches. These problems could strain resources when being addressed. When it comes to their supply chain, Airship AI relies on third-party suppliers for critical components used in their products, creating risks of inadequate supply or higher costs. Single or sole-source components may become unavailable or discontinued, causing delays in manufacturing and potential loss of sales. The company faces challenges from geopolitical events, trade policies, and raw material sourcing from China. These factors could negatively impact their supply chain continuity, pricing, and delivery schedules. Similarly, Airship AI relies on key information systems and third-party service providers, but these systems are prone to disruptions due to various factors like pandemics, natural disasters, software failures, and security issues. In case of a failure or interruption, this could lead to substantial errors, processing inefficiencies, data breaches, or loss of customers. Furthermore, the company's information systems face evolving cybersecurity threats that might result in unauthorized access, leading to asset loss, litigation, remediation costs, and reputational damage. For more on Airship AI and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.